हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। तो जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, हम ये सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं काफ़ी टाइम से, अप्रॉक्स 1 मंथ। हमने 2023, 21, देन 20, 19, 18, 17 ये सारे पेपर्स पर वीडियो बना लिए हैं। अभी पार्ट 16 का 2016 का पेपर हम अभी कर रहे हैं, पेपर 1, पेपर 2। सो पहले पैटर्न डिफरेंट था, अभी जो पैटर्न है वो डिफरेंट है। बट हम ये पेपर्स इसीलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि हमें एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले, PYQ क्वेश्चंस की आइडिया मिले। और जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं, ऑप्शंस रिपीट होते हैं। सो हमें उसी के लिए PYQ सीरीज़ करनी है। अगर आपने अभी तक सब चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हमें और ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिले। विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम नाउ, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो एज यू ऑल नो, पेपर 50 क्वेश्चंस का था एंड इट वाज ऑफ 100 मार्क्स। यस, नाउ पेपर इज ऑफ 200 मार्क्स एंड 100 क्वेश्चंस। पहले भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं थी, अभी भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, बट वो ऐसे अजम्पशंस है कि आगे जाकर नेगेटिव मार्किंग स्टार्ट हो सकती है। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज प्रतीत्य संपुतपदा? प्रतीत्य संपुतपदा, इट इज अ डॉक्टरीन। यस, मान्यता है ये, दैट एवरी इफेक्ट हैज इट्स ओन कॉज। यस, सब कुछ डिपेंडेंट है। डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ डिपेंडेंट ओरिजिनेशन, ऑल हैपन्स इन डिपेंडेंस ऑन कॉजेज एंड कंडीशंस। It is one of the Buddhist doctrine. Okay. According to Jaina tradition, Chandragupta abdicated the throne in favor of his son named Simasena. Simasena also, he was also known as Bindusara. Okay. Oh. Now, third question. According to which text Pushyamitra Shunga, commander-in-chief of Maurya army, killed the Maurya king Brihadratha? We all know that Pushyamitra Shunga killed Brihadratha and started his own dynasty, Shunga dynasty, and it is given in Harshacharitra by Bhana Bhatt. Yes, Harshacharitra is the biography of Harshvardhan of Kanauj. The Lalit Vistara is a text which describes, question number 4, it is the text which describes the life of Buddha. It is a compilation. Yes, Mahayana Buddhist Sutra. It depicts the story of Buddha from his descendant Tushita to his first sermon at Sarnath. Okay. Question number 5. According to R.S. Sharma, the peak of early historical urbanization in the subcontinent occurred between early historical urbanization, city planning, town planning, urban centers, ये सब कब इमर्ज होना स्टार्ट हुए? फ्रॉम 200 BC to 300 CE. 200 BC to 300 CE. Option C. Question number 6. Kama Sutra of Vatsayana is a complex treatise on Kama, pleasure, consisting of how many sections are there in Kama Sutra? There are 7 sections. Question number 7. What is meant by Akriyavad? Akriyavad. It is, there are no good or bad effects of action. It is also a Buddhist doctrine which depicts that moral acts don't have any consequences. It is a Buddhist doctrine, but it was denounced by Gautam Buddha. He used to believe in Kriyavad. It is Buddhist and it is also accepted in Jainism, somewhat accepted in Jainism. Who is associated with Sotantrik Vigyanvad? who is associated with Sotantric Vigyanvad Dharmakirti. He was a Buddhist philosopher who used to work at Nalanda, and he was associated with Yogacara and Sotantrika school of Buddhism. Now question number 9 is dropped question because Vairajya, it was Vairajya, and Vairajya has many different meanings, like it used to be like country governed by two kings, or they, in some there is written as the country without kings. So there are many different question was dropped. Which of the following is an example of composite god carved in the Badami caves during 6th century AD? Harihara. Option B. Harihara. Composite god. Harihara. It is the Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Yes. Hari is Vishnu and Hara is Shiva. 11th, the Durga temple at Aihole is named after a nearby fort. It is named after a nearby fort. It is in the present day Karnataka state, and it was built by Chalukya dynasty. Question number 12. Tara was a form of Bodhisattva. Yes. She was a female bodhisattva considered to be consort of Avalokiteshvara. Yes. महायान बुद्धिज्म से रिलेटेड है. वाइफ ऑफ अवलोकितेश्वरा, उनकी शक्ति भी माना जाता था. शी वॉज द वन हु यूज्ड टू feel the sufferings of the people who are stuck in the world, in the material world. After consolidating his power, question number 13, after consolidating his power, Balban assumed the title Zil-e-Ilahi. Zil-e-Ilahi. Question number 13, option B. The author of Amukta Malyada, we have discussed about this in previous papers also. Author is Krishnadev Raya. Yes, author is Krishnadev Raya. Now, the meaning of the word Amukta Malyada is one who offered garland after wearing it himself. Yes, ऐसा ही मीनिंग है कि जो गारलैंड पहनी है और उन्होंने फिर वो निकाल कर दूसरे को दे दी. एंड देन ये एक लव स्टोरी है. इट इज़ अ स्टोरी ऑफ वेडिंग ऑफ लॉर्ड शिव विष्णु एंड अंदल, जो कि एक तमिल अलवर पोएट है, एट श्रीरंगम. ओके, लव स्टोरी. इट इज़ लव स्टोरी ऑफ कृष्णा एंड अंदल, ऐसे भी मानते हैं. द सुल्तान हु स्टाइल्ड हिमसेल्फ एज सेकेंड अलेक्जेंडर, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. इनके काफ़ी एक्सपीडिशंस फेमस है. सो no doubt he himself considered as the second Alexander. And I have discussed about his various expeditions in the previous videos of 2021. You can go and check there. 16. After the death of Watan Jagirdar, the new ruler was appointed by Mughal emperor. Yes, he was appointed by the Mughal emperor. Dara Shikoh was the eldest son of Shah Jahan. Yes, brother of Aurangzeb. And Aurangzeb ने Dara Shikoh को मार दिया था for the throne. He killed Dara Shikoh and he brought his head in front of Shah Jahan. मतलब उनका गला काटकर शाहजहाँ के सामने लाया था औरंगजेब ने. एंड यस, why he killed Dara Shikoh? Because he was most loved and favorite son of Shah Jahan, and he was very intelligent. He is also known for the Persian translation of Bhagavad Gita. The doctrine of Pushti Marg was propagated by Pushti Marg. It is a sect of Vaishnavism. Yes. It was also known as Vallabh Sampradaya, propagated by Vallabhacharya. Yes, in 16th century. कृष्ण भक्ति है, ये भी कृष्ण भक्ति का फॉर्म है, एंड मोस्टली इट इज़ प्रेवलेंट इन गुजरात एंड राजस्थान among the Marwadis, Baniyas community. And the temple related to this Pushti Marga is Nathadwara temple or Srinathji temple at Nathadwara, Rajasthan. What was the Kankha? It is the residency of Sufi mystic. सूफी जहाँ रहते थे, सूफी सेंट्स, उनका प्लेस है ये. The main source for study of village administration under the Cholas is village administration. इसके बारे में our Prime Minister has also spoke about this in one of his speech, the Uttirameru inscription. It is the inscription by Paratanka I, who was the Chola king, by Parantaka I. In this there is details on village administration, self-governance. Yes, methods of self-governance in villages. Kambe was the port at the head of the Gulf of Kambe. Which port was at the entrance? Ghoga port was at the entrance. Ghoga port, which is on the mid-west bank of Gulf of Kambe. What was Kharaj? It is the land tax. Mughal period में था. In the medieval times, which of the following region was opposed to produce the best indigo? Like वहाँ best indigo उगता था, but they used to oppose. It is Bayana, which is in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Bayana. The author of Agrarian System of Mughal India, 1556 to 1707. Irfan Habib. He is the Marxist historian. He has written many books. Economy, mostly इनके books economy, secularism, like ancient medieval India, independence के पहले, modern India वाला part, इन पर ही है mostly. 25th. The Second Carnatic War took place between. Now this question is also incorrect. Options are incorrect. ऑप्शन रहने चाहिए थे 1749 से 1754, बट ऑप्शन नहीं था, सो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन A B C D दिया हुआ है. यस, बट मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट है ये. Now Hyder and the first this Second Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry 1954. Yes. 26. Hyder Ali's first war against the British commenced in and ended in which year? कब स्टार्ट हुआ एंड कब एंड हुआ? It was started in August 1767 and ended in 1769, and Hyder Ali defeated the British at Arcot. Yes. Who established Bombay Textile Labor Union? Bombay Textile Labor Union. लोखंडे ने ट्रेड यूनियन एस्टैब्लिश किया था, एंड लेबर यूनियन वॉज बाय NM जोशी, नारायण मल्हार जोशी. फर्स्ट रजिस्टर्ड ट्रेड यूनियन अंडर द इंडियन ट्रेड यूनियन एक्ट 1926. एंड इन्होंने और भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें एस्टैब्लिश किए, स्टार्ट किए, जैसे कि ऑल इंडिया ट्रेड यूनियन कांग्रेस विथ लाला लाजपत राय इन 1920, then Social Service League in 1911, and All India Trade Union Federation in 1931. Narayan Malhar Joshi. Just go through his work. It might come in the next exam. The British India Association was established in the year British India Association was established in the year 1851 by Radhakant Deb. Yes, it is and इसके सेक्रेटरी कौन थे? Devendranath Tagore, father of Rabindranath Tagore, Devendranath Tagore. In Kolkata it was started. The Theosophical Society was founded at New York in 1875 by Madame Blavatsky and Colonial or Colonel Alcott. Okay. Madame Blavatsky and Colonial Alcott. And in India, it was propagated by Annie Besant. In which year Jamia Millia University was established? It was in 1920, and it was established by Muhammad Ali Johar, Hakim Ajmal Khan, Mukhtar Ahmad Ansari. And who laid the foundation stone? Mahmud Hassan Deobandi. Yes. Now, the Mukh Nayak, the newspaper was started in the year. This is also started in the year 1920 by Dr. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, it was started by Dr. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar in 1920. It is a Marathi fortnightly, मतलब 15 दिनों में एक बार आती थी, to reveal the pain and rebellion of society. And his other works, जो अदर न्यूज़पेपर इन्होंने स्टार्ट किए थे, इट वॉज बहिष्कृत भारत 1927 में किया था स्टार्ट, जनता इन 1930 एंड प्रबुद्ध भारत इन 1956. रिपीट, आई विल रिपीट. बहिष्कृत भारत 1927, जनता 1930 and Prabhuddha Bharat in 1956. Now Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar established Independent Labour Party in 1936. In 1936. Yes. In which satyagraha did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel take a leading part? Which satyagraha? It was the Satyagraha of Bardoli. Yes, and यहीं पर उनको टाइटल मिला था सरदार का. He was awarded with the title of Sardar by the participating community, mostly the women. Who among the following were the members of the cabinet mission which came to India in March 1946? So cabinet mission जो 1946 में आया था, इसे और एक नाम से जाना जाता है, क्रिप्स मिशन. So the answer is A.V. Alexander, Lord Patrick Lawrence, and Sir Stafford Cripps. A.V. Alexander, Lord Patrick Lawrence, and Sir Stafford Cripps. 35. The principle of Panchashil was declared by India and China in 1954. Option B, in 1954. Yes, principle of Panchashil. Mercantilism. 36th, mercantilism is related to promote exports and limit imports. Mercantilism जिसमें कंट्री का खुद का प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, ऐसा माना जाता है. फॉर्म ऑफ इकोनॉमिक नेशनलिज्म टू इंक्रीज द प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड पावर ऑफ नेशन थ्रू रेस्ट्रिक्टिव ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस. ओके, इकोनॉमिक नेशनलिज्म. The Kamagata Maru, a steamer, was commanded by Kamagata Maru, A. Gurdeep Singh. a Sikh businessman chartered the Kamagata Maru at Hong Kong to help Sikhs and Indians to migrate to Canada. 38. Colonel Louis A. Johnson represented which nation during the Second World War? He represented America. The first conference of non-aligned nations took place in. It was held in Belgrade, Yugoslavia, in September 1961. And who was the chairman of this? He was Joseph Tito, president of Yugoslavia, was the president or chairman of the first NAM conference. 40. Mozambique and Angola obtained their independence from. These are the African countries, and they obtained independence in 1975 from Portugal. Yes. Now 41. Czechoslovakia was divided into Czechoslovakia was divided into the Czech and Slovak republics in 1st January 1933. Sorry for the mispronunciation. 1st January 1993. Who promoted segmentary state theory? Bernstein. Which is not an oral source. 43. Which is not an oral source. ओरल माने जो प्रमोट होता है बोलने से. मिथ, बैलाड, इंस्क्रिप्शन, रूमर. Inscription, it is the epigraphical source. Okay. With which school of history writing was Fernand Braudel associated? We have discussed about this in 2017 paper also, and here the same question repeats. It is Annal School. So after the PYQ series, we are going to start the new, and there we will be starting with the School of Historiographies. Yes, video on School of Historiography. Which of the following is not a positivist position? Positivism, we have discussed about it in 2017 also. Which is not? So answer is facts and interpretations are inseparable. Facts and interpretations are inseparable. Now 46. Who explained Congress divide between extremist and moderate through faction theory? Congress divide, which is also known as Surat split of 1907. So it was by theory David Washbrook. Yes, David Washbrook. Option C. What is the aim of external criticism? What is the aim of external criticism? To offer evidence. To offer evidence. Yes. Which American historian wrote Meta-History, in which relationship between historical imagination, historical narrative, and past lived experience is discussed? We have seen this question, Meta-History. There was in 2017 in the Match the Pairs. It was by Hayden White. Yes, Hayden White. Which of the following schools of thought has not influenced Karl Marx? It is Deism of Thomas Paine. Yes, Deism of Thomas Paine. Now for 50th, when was West Germany included in NATO? When was West Germany included in NATO? In 1955. Yes, NATO. It is a group of nations. So hope you like the session. Yes, today it was not the 100%, but due to the health issues, I couldn't make it more appropriate, and the session was quite crisp and short. So, hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.